Hi, Vinita. It's Josie with KnitChats, and here's this little demonstration of the question that you had for your flip top mitten. So here you see as per your specific pattern, here are those cast on stitches, the 17, and I'm just about done picking up stitches from we'll pretend that you've got your mitten body of the mitten hanging here. Okay, so I think I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17 stitches that we've picked up as per your pattern. So here's your working yarn, and now it says to go ahead and divide your stitches amongst the double points. So I'm going to shift them over from this end and just divide them somewhat evenly. Stitches feel a little tight or they're sticky. And I'll grab another one. I'm not sure exactly how many stitches the pattern indicated to put here on your double points, but I'm going to basically just kind of even that out. Okay, so let's say you have your 3. I think you said you wanted to work on 4, which is fine. It won't make a difference. Okay, so we just want to make sure we're not twisted. Just get situated here. So as you know, when you're going to join in the round, the working yarn has to come from the right side. So we're just going to twist it around this way. And then kind of flip it over, and then this is where we're going to join. Make sure we're not twisted. I like to have this end of the needle over. So this is the first needle, then this is the second needle. I always like to have this tip over. It just is more comfortable for me. Okay, and then see it laid flat. So this is needle 1, needle 2, and then right here will be needle 3. And then we'll simply join in the round. I don't do anything special. I just knit. And then I believe it's a ribbing, so you'll just do your knit 1, purl 1, or whatever the ribbing is. And you'll go ahead and place a little marker here to mark the beginning of your round. I like to put a little locking stitch marker there. Okay, so I know it feels a little fussy at first, but once you're set up, you'll be able to then knit in the round. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck.